Hello again everyone. Well, Nikki's down at Lymington Community Centre carrying on with her course, and I'm back at the van and I'm going to get on with this tractor signboard. Well, there's a lot of concentration involved in that, so I want to stop for a bit for a tea and a slice of cake, I think. It's also started raining again. Ah, nice bit of tea and cake while the rain drums down the roof. That's what it's all about, really, isn't it? Cheers. Well, it was only forecast to be showers today. Today was supposed to be one of the nicer days. I think I'll have the last bit of cake as well to console myself. Well, I've been trying to think while I was drinking my tea how to do the next bit. And I think the thing to do is to mask it all up again and then shade the globe in the light blue colour. I think we can spray the claws over the top of that because it will be quite a light colour, and then we'll cut the claws out and mask that up and do the world map thing. That's going to be quite tricky, I think. Anyway, one step at a time. Get some light blue on there. Well, I don't know if you noticed, but one of the magnets grabbed onto where I'd painted and caused this damage, so I'm going to have to correct that a little bit first. I think I can do that with some black. Righto, well, I'm starting to get quite tired, starting to make silly mistakes, so I'm going to pack away for now and give that a little bit of a rest. Yeah, I didn't really appreciate when I started doing this how tricky this one would be. It's quite a long drawn out affair. Anyway, hopefully it'll be worth it by the time I've finished it, and Ray will like it. Definitely time for some well-earned lunch. Oh, it is a bit hot. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed it, press like. Subscribe if you want to see some more. And ring the bell to be notified when we upload something new.